want the base and the height of the triangle, then it would be, okay, these two are the same, okay, because they have to close and meet. And so if this was 2, then this is 2. And so this would be 2. And if I want the height of this, that would be 7. Okay, so I have everything I need. Just put the rectangles that go together. Okay, so I would have 2 rectangles that are the same and have their own measurements. Another 2 rectangles are the same and have their own measurements. And then the other 2 rectangles would be the same and have their own measurements. So that's why they are separate, because they have their own measurements and not the same measurements as each other. All right. Okay, so you have the formula, base times height times 2 plus base times height, 2 of those, so multiply by 2. Okay, let's just say this one is the star rectangles, this one is the triangle rectangles, and this one is the circle rectangles. Okay, that way we know what we're looking at. The base of the star rectangle would be 4 times the height of the star rectangle, which would be 7. The base of the triangle rectangle, okay, the base, well, if this is 2, then this must also be 2. So the base is 2 times the height is 7. Okay, plus, let's do the circle rectangles. The base would be 4, and the height would be 2 of that same rectangle. Once you have that, you just solve. Parentheses first, so 4 times 7 is first, which is 28. 2 times 7 is 14. And then 4 times 2 is 8. Then you keep on solving. 2 times 28 is 56. Plus 2 times 14 is 28. Plus 2 times 8 is 16. If you add those all together, you will get 100 centimeters squared, and that would be your total surface area, because you included all the shapes, including the bases. All 6 rectangles were included here. Now, if you're taking out the bases, you have to know which ones are the bases to get your lateral if you were finding the lateral. So if I was finding the lateral, then the bases would be the ones with the circle because they stick out. Okay, the sidewall will be here. Whatever sticks out is the basis. So I would take out whatever the number is for these ones, which would be 16. Okay, so I would do 100 minus 16 to get the lateral, and I would get 84 centimeters squared. Okay, because I took out the bases, and the bases are the ones that stick out. Okay.